Hello everybody, it's DIMA OSKO here. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create this awesome bronzy and glossy look. If you'd like to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I already prepped my skin with my face moisturizer and face serum. Next step is going to be this Glossier FUTUREDEW Oil Serum Hybrid. It says apply 2 pumps all over the face as the last step of your skin routine. Add more to the high points of the face for extra glow. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 2 pumps. And apply. I have a mirror right here, sorry. I'm actually gonna, mainly apply it on the high point of the face. So next step I'm moving to is bronzer. I'm gonna take this bronzer from Chanel. It's a bronzing makeup base. It has like more of a mousse kind of texture to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. I'm not contouring, I'm just bronzing my skin a little bit. And I'm gonna go over my ears right here a little bit, but see, I'm just like more like a tapping motion. I'm blending it in the areas that I just don't want to see any harsh line. And I'm gonna go tight to my neck. And since my chest is showing, I'm just gonna go and blend down to my chest, my shoulders. Alright, now that I'm done bronzing, I'm gonna move to foundation. I'm using this foundation from Chanel. It's actually a tinted moisturizer. It's a sheer healthy glow moisturizing tint. So I'm gonna shake it. And I'm gonna mix it with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Light in the shade number 3. That's quite a bit darker than my skin. And the Chanel one is medium light, which that's about what my skin color is. I just want to be like a tad bronzer. I'm gonna mix both colors together. And I'm gonna apply the foundation in the areas that I did not apply the bronzer. I don't want to go over where I applied the bronzer. And I don't know, I've been breaking out so much lately. I don't know if you can see, I have one here, one here, one here. I have like 2 here, 1 here. It's like, ugh. Like I don't know what's happening. My skin's going crazy. For eyes, I'm using this like bronzy cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers and then I'll blend the edges with the brush. The brush is from MAC. Let me see. The brush is from MAC 270. It's like a fluffy brush. Any fluffy brush will do. So I'm taking a little bit of that cream eyeshadow. It's like a bronzy color. And applying it to the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to take my clean fluffy brush and just blend the edges. Okay, next thing I'm moving to is my highlighting palette right here. I'm going to grab that the darkest color. I'm going to grab the darkest color on a small little brush. This one from Cosette S185. I'm going to take a little bit on here. Dust it up really good because I don't want any fallout on my face. And if I do anyways, I didn't put concealer. I can still always clean it up and go back and put concealer. So anyways, I'm taking that color and I'm going into the crease. Now I'm gonna dig into my Urban Decay Naked Basics I don't know if they still make it. Last time I checked it was out of stock, so I don't know if it's discontinued or if it's just out of stock for now. But anyways, any cool tone brown eyeshadow would do. I'm gonna take this flat brush, this one from MAC 212. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put that under the eyes. Anyways, back to my eyes. I'm taking some of that cool tone brown, going a little bit under the eyes to smoke it, mainly concentrating the color on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm gonna grab a black, this like matte black eyeshadow. Any matte black will do. Dust it off really good. Black is gonna make a mess if you don't dust it off really good. I'm gonna put it right on top, but closer to my lash. I'm gonna take same black and go close to my lash line, just on the outer corner. And I don't want it to be perfect. It's okay to be a little messy. And I'm not doing a wing liner here. I just kind of dragged it out a little bit, but I blended it with my finger. But I just want to lift up my eyes a little. Alright, I think that's it for the eyes for me. I wanted to make it like easy and simple and like effortless. So I'm gonna move to mascara. Gonna apply this all over my eyelashes. I'm getting super close to the lash line and wiggle it to separate the eyelashes and then pull up. Okay, so back to Face to Perfect It. I'm gonna use my concealer, just a little bit under the eyes. And I'm gonna use a brush to blend it. And I'm not getting close to the eyelash because I don't want to erase whatever we applied under the eyes. And I go under the brow just to also blend in any harsh line from the eyeshadow, and just so I have one sole. Okay, so I already did one cheek and I'm gonna do the other cheek. I use this darker color from the highlighter palette. It's called Bronzed, and I'm taking this fluffy brush, dip in there a couple of times, go to my hand, work into the hand so I don't have any so I don't have too much powder on here, so it doesn't go like straight to my face and stays in one spot. And I haven't set my face yet with any powders, so the way I'm gonna apply this, I'm just gonna press it into the skin in the areas where the blush / bronzer would typically go. Now moving to highlight, I'm gonna take the lightest color in this palette. Take some on this brush, dust it off really good, and I'm gonna go on the high point of my cheek. So I took some of the highlight and applied it right here, right on the bridge of the nose. Kind of in between the eyes. Didn't drag it all the way down because I don't want to elongate my nose or make it any longer or skinnier. I'm just trying to add that glowy and fresh look to my skin. I'm gonna take a little bit, not on the tip of the nose, because again, if I put it here, it's gonna make it look more round and more noticeable, and it's gonna draw the attention to the tip of my nose, but I don't want that. I'm just gonna put it right above it, right here, just again, just to add a little glow. Same color, right on the cupid hole. Gonna go to the eyes. Okay, so I'm done with highlighting, but when I was looking at my face in the mirror, I thought I would like a little bit of color. So I'm taking this highlighter palette, and it has like a pink color. I'm gonna take that pink color, same brush, and I'm gonna use that as my blush. So I'm gonna dust the excess off. I'm gonna put it right on the apples of the cheeks, kind of blending it with the highlight and bronzer at the same time. Okay, I'm moving to eyebrows. I'm grabbing a clear eyebrow gel and I'm gonna brush it through my eyebrows. Alright, now I'm moving to lips. I'm moving this Jumbo Longwear Matte Lip Crayon from Chanel. The color is 257, I think. I think so. 257. Now that I have the lipstick on, I'm taking a fluffy, clean, fluffy brush and just smudging the edges. Because I don't want it to be perfect, I want them to be blurred out a little bit. And I'm gonna take a nude lip gloss from Pat McGrath. Okay, we're almost ready. I'm gonna take a little bit of loose powder from the MIRAGE. And in a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder, dust it off inside so it's not too powdery, and I'm gonna put it right under the eyes. Alright you guys, this is it for today's video. I just fixed my hair up a little bit to kind of match the vibes of this look, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit notifications to stay up to date with everything beauty with me. And don't worry, all the products are listed in the description box below and stories where you can find me and follow more of my work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!